most craziest day. I've never gone live at night, and I just want to observe something, guys, with you. Did you know the lunar eclipse or the blood moon is just happening tonight? I don't know how clear I am right now, and I don't know how clear you're going to see this. I'm here with my dog Tommy, and I just realized today it's very dark, but I've observed it as it happens. So currently, right now, I'm outside. I don't know if you'll see me clearly because I don't have like the actual thing in the camera. So I just noticed that the lunar eclipse has just happened like few minutes ago. So we are going to observe together. I don't have the best camera, guys. I don't have the best camera because it's very dark, and I just decided I'm going to do this live right now because, gosh, I didn't know it's the season. I just noticed the moon has turned what we call the blood moon. Tommy, stop it. Tommy, stop it. Let's show our people. I don't know, guys, if you'll be able to see. Let me tilt the camera. It's totally dark. It's totally dark, guys. It's totally dark. I don't know if you can be able to see, but the lunar eclipse has just happened. Like the blood moon, the moon has been covered. I know today I've done 2 lives. The moon was somewhere there. It has totally been covered. It's what we call the blood moon, guys. Let me tell you, I've never done a live at night. I don't have the best camera, I know. But I just decided to go live with you guys because it's something that is colorful. Don't mind my dog. But we're going to do this. I don't know if you can see. It's totally dark. It's totally dark. And the lunar eclipse has actually happened. And thanks to Twende, I usually watch this program that is usually for like what we call tourism. And thanks to Njora, because he's the one who has made me get updated like this. The lunar eclipse is actually happening. And I decided to come out and go live with you people as we observe being. Don't mind my dog. My dog is just making weird noises. So I'm outside here in the dark trying to show you the moon. It has totally been covered. It has totally been covered. So you people who love sciences and all that, you know what it means for lunar eclipse to happen. I didn't know it's happening today, and it has just happened. So I'm outside, and I felt so bad because by the time I was going live, it is the time the blood moon was happening, like the moon was getting covered. And I was like, you know what, guys, I'm gonna brave myself. I don't like staying outside in the dark, and I'm just going to do the live for you people. So I know in the morning I was live with you people, but thank you so much for this program called Twende, because they have never done a live too, and they're the ones who have updated me like the lunar eclipse is happening. And I rushed outside very fast and decided to do this live with you guys, and we just observe Pamoja. I know I don't have the best camera. I know I don't have the best camera, but at the moment I've tilted the camera towards the sky, and the moon has totally been covered. It's total like dark. There's no, the clouds are just, you can see the moon, and it's what we call the blood moon, like lunar eclipse. And the observation was fun, to be honest. The observation was actually fun because it tilted very, very fast. Let me go back to myself, and you see me, guys, braving the dark, because yeah, I've decided to show you the night. I've become a bat today because I've decided to become a bat tonight because I really wanted us to observe the bloody moon. Tommy, can you behave? Please do behave. So I'm outside with my dog and I'm feeling safe because I really wanted to see the lunar eclipse happening, and it has really happened. the moon has totally been covered. So if you didn't know, now you know. Today, the 7th of September, lunar eclipse has just happened. The blood moon has just happened. It was just a wonderful thing, guys. I've just observed it. It was such a wonderful thing. And thanks to NTV, let me just shout out the NTV 20 because it has made me rush very fast outside to see the lunar eclipse happening. They're in Samburu, and I was like, you know what, guys? I was live in the morning, and I'll have to come and observe this scientific thing together with you people. Hey, Saint Patrick, hi. Thank you. My camera is not the best, but I had to show you guys that the lunar eclipse has just happened like 3 minutes ago. The moon has totally been covered. The people who know science, they know what I'm talking about. And I wish you knew you would have observed with me. So I thank NTV because um, NTV is a station in Kenya that has made me notice today's. I didn't know, but it was a little bit dark today. And the moon came out quite early, but I didn't know that today is the day we're going to observe lunar eclipse. So imagine I'm outside here embracing the observation, the scientific observation. So if you're close with wherever you are, get outside and see the skies. It's like I want to observe the constellation. I don't have a binoculars thing, but I can see us. Yeah, it's over there, guys. I can see it. It has totally turned. My camera is not good, guys. Let me turn it. My camera is not good, but the moon is totally bloody. I don't know if you can observe it over there. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it very well. Over there, you see there, I'm pointing. The moon is totally bloody. Can you see it? Hi, Saint. Thank you for subscribing. But are you outside? We observe with you lunar eclipse. Can you see the moon over there? It's totally bloody. It's already covered. The lunar eclipse has really happened. Oh my God. It's something enjoyable to observe, guys. Look at there, I'm pointing. That is where the moon is at. I know my camera is not the best. I know the camera is not the best, but it's happening. It's a scientific time. It's happening, guys. It's happening, guys. I know my camera is not the best, but guys, it's happening. It's totally the way it's called, the bloody moon. Bloody moon. Oh my God, the observation. I would have been left out on this one. Damn. Thank you, Jora. He's called Jora. He usually does a show called Twende. He travels for tourism and all that. And I was like, yo, guys, I can't be left with such an event. Huh? Let me say hi to you people. Saying thank you, thank you. Have you seen the moon? Yeah, get outside and see. It's such a nice astro what? Let's call it astro tourism. Do the tourism and just observe the sky from your homestead because I'm here with my dog. Look at us. Me and my dog, we are outside. Tommy is here busy bugging me, but yeah, we are outside. Thank you, Sain. Yeah, I'm observing. I'm observing as well. Let me tell you, I'm sticking around here just to observe. I'm watching this moon together with you guys. I had to give you this gist. I know in the morning I was doing a live, but I had to do another live today because who wouldn't want to have such an event? Get outside, guys. Get outside. Get outside, guys, and watch the blood moon, the lunar eclipse happening. It just only happens once in a time. I don't know the last time. The other one was not lunar. The other one was what eclipse? The other eclipse. But now today I didn't want to be left out. Gosh, it has totally turned bloody. And the skies are looking different. Let me tell you guys, I'm just standing here close to the light because I want you guys to see me as I observe the skies with my dog. It's such a colorful event, guys. Join me. Have you seen the blood moon, guys? Have you? Have you? Have you seen it? Imagine I had to go live for you people. Hmm? No, it's not a cat. It's a dog. Saying it's a dog. He's called Tommy. It's my dog. It's a Rhodesian Ridgeback. I own a Rhodesian Ridgeback. I love dogs too, as much as I love the fascination of science. You're outside too? Sean, you're outside. Can you see it? Oh my God. It's beautiful. I wish I had a binoculars. I'm just squinting here, looking at the sky, and it has already been totally covered. It has totally been covered. What an experience. It's such an experience, guys. I'm outside embracing the skies and just observing the scientific event that I felt I can't leave you behind, guys. We have to watch this scientific event. And thanks to a station that I love so much, because every Sunday I usually watch tourism in NTV 20, and they made me get updated today because he has never done a live. And I was like, guys, I'm tagging my people along. They shouldn't be left behind with this scientific event happening. Let's observe the skies together. In fact, I've left the station playing that program and decided, you know what? We talk things that are factual. We observe things that are factual. They're not just blabbing, they are just saying the facts. So I had to come and prove what they're saying on the TV. Is it the right thing or is just blabbing? And truly, I've observed the moon do its bloody thing, like it's called a blood moon for a reason. It has really turned totally dark, and the skies are just still dark. And I want to see if it is going to pass over and cross over to the other side, and the moon will come back. We are going to stay as long as I see what this science thing is going to take us with our naked eyes. Guys, I don't have a binoculars. See my life. I don't have a binoculars, but I'm going to stick here and see what next will happen. How long does it stay? Can somebody? Hi Sean, thank you so much for loving me. Tell me how long does the moon stay before it stop being bloody? Can somebody who knows science tells me what is going to happen next? Because at the moment, as I observe the sky, it's totally dark. The moon has totally been covered. I just observed that. I'm telling you, I don't have a good camera. I'm feeling so bad. My phone is not the best of the best. But let me tell you the way I've observed that sun becoming bloody. Oh, not the sun, not the moon. Now the moon, the way it has become lunar, like the way it has become, hey, it was such an event, the way it has been covered. So I'm just wondering how long will it take to stop being bloody? How long will it take? Somebody tell me. Hi. Thank you so much, Sean. I think maybe you know a lot of science. Can you explain to me what is yet to be observed? Like how long will it take for the moon now to stop being? How long does I don't remember. Can somebody explain to me, because already I've observed how the lunar eclipse has happened. I just observed it. It's a live event. Huh? Hii si historia kuambiwa. Mm. Wow, thank you, Sean. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Look at the crazy things I'm doing for you guys. I'm here outside, just risking to observe lunar eclipse. You should subscribe, guys. You should subscribe. I'm risking being chased by dogs and all that, for us to observe. So somebody explain, how long are we going to eat? Huh? What else is going to happen? Because it has totally become bloody. It's called blood moon. I don't know why they call it blood. I think it's because the way it was looking, but it wasn't that bloody. I don't know if you can see it. Guys, you can't see a thing. It has been totally covered. You see, the problem is I don't have the best lighting. And when I go to the dark, you won't see very clearly and you won't see me clearly. And when I tilt to the camera, yeah, it's still bloody. Let me tilt to the camera, you see what I'm saying. So that you don't see like I'm just eating. You see where I'm pointing. Let me point my finger. Can you see now the moon? Can you see my finger? Can you see my finger, guys? You have to go. Thank you so much, Sean. But make sure to stay outside. Stay outside and observe the moon. Thank you so much for joining my live because at least I felt we were together to watch this bloody moon over there. You can see where I'm pointing. Still bloody. I'm still waiting for any observation about it. It's still bloody. Can you see my fingers? It's over there. Still bloody. Let me try and go away from. Tommy, don't do this. Let's show our people. I don't know how I'm going to do this, guys. I don't have the best camera, but guys, I know you're going to see the bloody moon. I know it's. Tommy, stop it. Let's show our people the lunar eclipse. I don't know. The sky is not. It's totally dark, guys. It's totally dark. Oh, it has totally been covered, guys. My camera is not the best, I know. But the skies at the moment are just cloudy, whitish, black. It's not that black. But the moon, I can see several stars, guys. Oh my God, the sky is beautiful. I don't know which galaxy is this or the constellation. It's totally beautiful, guys. The stars are many. Oh my God. I don't have the best camera, guys, but you are kidding, Sean. I'm outside not having the best camera, but I'm observing the stars. The lunar eclipse has just happened. I'm here talking to you guys and counting stars. Oh my God, you guys, you should get me a good camera or a binocular. Gift me a camera because the sky is looking so beautiful tonight, guys. Oh my God. I don't know which constellation is this, but the sky is so beautiful. Oh my God. My camera is not the best. At the moment I can see there are trees and then the sky is like, let me call it like not has hues of whitish, and then the stars you can count them because the lunar eclipse has already happened. I don't know which constellation is this. People who know science, can you tell me which is this? Because the stars are many and they're shining so bright and it's looking so wow. And I don't know what happens when the lunar eclipse after that, what really happens. But the sky is looking something. Something. Oh my God. Guys, get outside. Imagine I'm not going to take my dinner till I see what happens. Since our dog is with me, my Tommy is with me, I'm feeling safe. And the lights have shut from behind because I really want to observe these lunar eclipse. These guys are looking awesome, guys. You have no idea. Once again, I'm giving a shout out to our local station. Thank you, NTV, for making me updated. Specifically, Twende. Twende is the one which has made me updated because I didn't know. Honestly, I didn't know today is the day that there's going to be the lunar eclipse. I don't know. You see, we have switched off the lights. Those are lights in the house. But let me tell you guys, the skies are looking wonderful. Oh my God, the people who are camping today, I don't know. You're just having fun. These are the things, small things that makes me happy. Just God is just a God of wonders. I'm just excited over stars. Can you imagine, guys? I'm just excited over scientific event. The lunar eclipse just happened. Hi, Michael. Hi, Kamasharia. Hi. Get outside, guys, and observe the constellation that's outside. I don't know which constellation is this. People who know science, tell us these stars, which are they? Oh, yeah, the lunar eclipse just happened. Can you explain to me? Because I can see the wonderful stars all over. Oh my God. I'm going to stay outside till this moon do the thing again. Guys, I'm just going to stay outside till this moon, do its thing again. Because guys, I didn't know that today lunar eclipse is happening. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to stay outside. I'm going to stay outside. Imagine I get excited over small, minute things like those ones. Can you imagine I'm super excited because of just stars? Explain to me which kind of constellation is that, because let me tell you, it's God is a God of wonders. The stars are looking awesome. I'm just imagining if I had my personal person. Tell me, stop it. If I had my personal person who would be counting stars. I'm going to stay outside like this till I see what happened next. But the constellation outside, gosh. If you're not outside, just step outside of your house or your balcony and just look at the sky. Oh my God. The stars are many. Somebody explain to me which constellation is that. Somebody explain to me, because honestly, I didn't know lunar eclipse is happening today. I just stepped out and saw and observed the lunar eclipse happening, like the blood moon, and then now the stars. And you tell me I won't stay outside. Today I'm camping outside. We are camping together outside till we see what happens. How many hours does it? Somebody remind me. I don't need to Google. Chat me and tell me, how long are we going to observe this blood moon? And then what happens? Educate me. We learn together. I don't want to go ahead of myself. I just want us to just engage on observing stars. Since I'm alone, you are going to be my people to observe the to observe the lunar eclipse pamoja. Gosh, can you step outside and see the stars? Oh my God, that is so fascinating. Imagine the program I was watching, I've even forgot about it. The stars is just fascinating. It's just awesome. Let me say hi to a few people. Michael, thank you. It's called the red moon. It's called the lunar eclipse, but I don't know why. It's called the red moon or the blood moon. It's called the blood moon or something. Yeah, it's called the red moon. Okay, whatever fancies you. At the end of the day, it's called lunar eclipse, but it has happened. I've observed. I felt so nice. Most of the time, I fail to see these things. But today, I wasn't left out. And I felt like, you know what? We are going to observe this thing together with you. I know I was live in the morning. It doesn't matter getting live 2 times in a day. So today, I've observed the lunar eclipse. And I don't know what happens after that. But the stars. Oh my God. Just come out and observe the stars. Those are the few things that fascinates me as in terms of science. Somebody explain to me that constellation, because I don't know. They are making a certain pattern, and then they're shining so bright. They're shining so bright. So tell me where you're watching your lunar eclipse from. Let me say hi, Sean. Then to Sean Patrick, hi. Masharial, hi. And yeah, those are the ones leading on the leaderboard. And I hope we are observing stars together, because I don't want to imagine you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Right now, I'm chilling here with you guys because I want to see what happens when the blood moon, what they do, zikipitana na solar eclipse, blah, blah, blah. What happens? Does the moon now go back to its normalcy? Because I've seen the way it has been covered slowly, and became dark. Oh, but I didn't waste time. As soon as they said, today we are observing what. Me, I was outside. I follow instructions. The time he was like, oh, we have never been live, what. Today we are going to be covered by celestial, whatever. The time I got the information, I acted very fast with the information. Very fast. Took my legs, my phone, went live, and I'm outside with you guys observing the lunar eclipse. I'm as fast as that when it comes to info that is making sense. So, have you observed it? Ama, you have been pictured like this. This time round, I was on time. The last time the eclipse happened, I didn't observe it. The other one usually happened during the day. Is called what? I think it's the solar. But this one, the blood moon, oh, it's beautiful. It's totally blood. It's totally bloody. So I don't want to go back to the dark because I want to just imagine. I'm just imagining. We give it, but I think it will go for several hours, right? Like the entire night. Like, yeah. Can we do the live the entire? If you're going to accompany me all through and subscribe to my channel, guys, we are going to stick around and count stars. I know I don't have the best camera, but I'm trying. I'm trying. At least I'm trying, guys, right? I'm trying. Would you have known? Would you have known if I didn't give this gist to you people? Would you? Would you? So, yeah. The sky is not a totally at a dark, but kuna what we call hues. I don't know those colors. I call them what? Like colors of like whitish of the clouds, and then like bluish. It's not totally dark. And then two stars are all over, scattered all over. So scientists, come here and tell me which constellation is that as formed on the skies, because I believe the sky I'm or under is also the same sky you're under. So tell us which constellation is that? Yeah, I'm here outside just because of you people. You better subscribe. You better subscribe. You just better subscribe because hey, I can't be doing these things for you guys and not subscribe to my channel surely. The sky is looking. Let me tilt the camera. I don't know if the moon will actually do me justice. I will try and point out somewhere where the moon is. It's totally bloody. I think my camera is disappointing. But let me tell you, let me describe what I'm seeing. The moon is totally red. That's why I think it's called a bloody. It's totally red at the moment. So as I sit here and as I stand here, what I'm observing right now, the moon is there, seated very nice, bloody, and then hapo katikati, like on the sides, I can count like 10 stars are surrounding, and that's why I'm asking which constellation is this, guys. The moon is over there. I don't. My camera is doing me injustice, but it's totally bloody. You get outside and see I'm not blabbing. It's the reality. Like half of the moon, Tommy. Like half of the moon is a little bit brighter, like yellowish, and then the rest of the moon is totally bloody. So if you think I'm lying, just step outside and observe it. Observe, observe. And for me, where I'm standing, I can count like 15. Oh, there are many stars. Now they are getting many. More than 15 stars. Oh my God, that's constellation. I don't know which is. It's just beautiful. I don't remember. This was, I think, class 6 science. I don't remember the formations of stars, and I didn't focus so much on the sky. So somebody who is an expert on this constellation, can you tell me? Because it's beautiful. Oh my God. So fascinating and just glorious. I'm just enjoying observing it. God is a God of wonders. He's a God of wonders because they are shining so bright. Oh my God. I'm just looking at the sky up like this. That's why my voice is just like that, because I can't stop looking at the stars, guys. I just can't stop looking at the stars because they're wonderful, guys. They're just wonderful. I mean, can you imagine sitting with yourself, with your partner, cozy, just looking at the stars and the moon and giving each other sweet nothings? Oh my God. Now I'm here standing alone with my dog. My dog is just stubborn. Tommy, stop it. Tommy, stop it. We talk to our people. Huh? I'm here standing alone. Nobody to give me sweet nothings. as I observe the red moon. Guys, surely, at least make me happy by subscribing. At least give me the numbers as you observe the moon, because y'all, I can't stand all this while for you guys. And you fail to subscribe to my channel with all this struggle of counting stars for you guys. Make me happy, y'all. Make me happy. Now the moon is like getting brighter, guys. So, if you have your person, take them out for a day tonight and give them some sweet nothing. Lie to them you're going to buy them all the acres in this all the acres in this world. Ah, Jamani. Imagine I'm standing here alone, nobody to give me sweet nothing apart from my Tommy. Getting me. Tommy. Tommy, you're such a loyal dog. Tommy, you're such a loyal dog. I'm telling my people, I'm here standing you, guarding me, protecting me, but I don't have anybody to give me sweet nothings as we count the stars. Eh? These people of ours need to subscribe to my channel. So, guys, the lunar eclipse is really happening. It's really happening. And I think I can even see. Let me share this to my people. Mm? The lunar eclipse is really happening. Let me share to my channel. And then the neighboring school. Guys, I'm sorry I had gone off kidogo, but I was trying to say the lunar eclipse is really happening and I'm only here alone, observing alone, observing alone. You should get outside with your person and give them sweet nothings. So, yeah, let me share. Let me share. So yeah, it's still bloody, guys. Let me tell you, I was telling you, at least me, I'm outside with my dog, my dog, and you should get outside with your mpoa and count the constellation, like the stars, and give each other sweet nothings, and observe the moon. So it's still happening. It's going down, and I really wanted to observe with you guys. So please join. Please join. Make sure to subscribe, because there's no way I can be just counting stars, observing the lunar eclipse, guys. And you are here not motivating me. Eh? You should come and join me to just observe the lunar eclipse, because it has happened and it's still 20 minutes, like it's like 30 minutes still dark. And I can see the stars. The stars are still there, but it's happening. It's happening. The lunar eclipse is happening. It's happening. Like I was saying, get outside with your person. Kula udaku, give lies to each other. Observe pamoja. Lie to them. Lie to them. My dog has even relaxed. It's chilling here. Me and my Tommy. Tommy, tell our people we are observing the lunar eclipse together. You are the only one who's giving me comfort. Imagine, guys, you should subscribe to my channel. I can't be counting stars alone. Since I don't have Ampua, Tommy, please just let us let these people subscribe to our channel. Guys, eh? Just subscribe to my channel, guys, to be honest. Can you imagine the things I'm doing for you? Eh? Say something. No, Tommy. Say something. The eclipse is still happening. I don't know how long it takes. I think is it the entire night? How long does it take? Because it's still bloody. And the stars are beautiful. Your star is so beautiful. Somebody chat to me, surely. Can you imagine just watching alone? Hey, people with their mpoas, take your mpo outside and give them sweet nothings under the stars. The stars are beautiful. They are shining so bright. Tommy, please. Let me turn it. Tommy is giving me company on watching the lunar eclipse, the bloody moon. You see how active my dog is? This is what you're doing outside. Tommy, say hi. Tommy, say hi to our people. Tell them we are watching the constellations alone. Eh? No, Tommy, stop it. No, stop it. So, guys, I'm still here counting the stars as I wait for the moon to change anytime. It is not changing like anytime soon. It's still bloody. Yeah, it's still bloody. It's still bloody. The lunar eclipse has just happened. No, Tommy, stop it. Still bloody. Very bloody. No, Tommy, we are not doing this right now, please. We just observe this. We observe the moon. No, Tommy, observe the moon. Yes, guys. Still counting the stars as I wait the eclipse to behave. The hues are white. The sky is just different. So, scientists, tell me what is going to happen next. Because at the moment, I can only see stars and the bloody moon. So as I was saying, somebody who has their partner to come outside, this is the best dating time. As you observe the bloody moon. Tell me stop it. No. As you observe the bloody moon, you can give lies to your person. Just give them some few lies as you count the constellation. So yeah, it's such an event, a scientific event. So yeah, guys. So I'm still waiting for you guys to tell me, what are you observing? Because I've already observed the lunar eclipse very well. What have you seen? I'm still outside experiencing these scientific events. I'm still outside experiencing the scientific event alone. Counting stars alone. Counting stars alone. Oh my God. People who love watching stars, this is your moment to shine with your person. This is the time to go for that date night and count stars with your person. Don't be like me counting stars with... This is very sad, by the way. I should be having a person we are counting stars and telling me which constellation is this. Now I'm here counting stars with Tommy. Is that fair? Is that fair, guys? It's not fair. So, if you know you have that person you've been eyeing, today is the night, the bloody moon night, to go and give those sweet nothings under the observations of the constellations of the stars. Take the chance. Take the chance. Now me, I won't be teaching you everything. I want to be teaching you everything. And don't ask me if you ask me to teach. I won't be teaching you everything. Today is the night to come out and count stars and give sweet nothings to that person you've been eyeing. Imagine observing the stars pamoja, having dinner under the bloody moon, and talking a lot of science. Talking a lot of science. I won't be teaching you everything. Now I'm here alone, counting with you people stars. So far, I've counted 15. And nobody's giving me sweet nothings. Just Tommy. Tommy is nibbling my fingers. And you are there outside. Instead of taking this opportunity to take that person you've been eyeing for stargazing and and watching the lunar eclipse. You're busy there seated, instead of taking the opportunity to go and count stars with someone. Get outside and tell me what you're observing. I've already counted 15 stars. You, how many stars are you seeing? How many, guys? How many stars are you seeing? Huh? How many stars are you seeing, guys? How many have you counted? Because me, I'm still gazing at the stars, and so far I've counted 15. Eh? Get your person at the balcony. Tell them you love them like those stars of the lunar. Tell them you love them like the way you love those stars of the lunar eclipse. Eh? Get outside, guys. Stop staying there alone like I don't know what. Abu, let's go and count the stars like I've told you guys. Don't be like me counting the stars alone. The moon is still bloody, guys. The moon is still bloody. And like I'm saying, don't be like me counting stars alone. Get your person outside. Tell them sweet nothings. Huh? Tell them you love them like that bloody moon at the sky. Tell them you love them like those stars are shining bright. In fact, I understand stars have names. It's just that I don't remember. I don't want to bug my head so much tonight and think so loudly about these stars. But they do have like specific names scientifically. So, and they go with sizes because there are those ones which are shining brighter than the others. So, and I asked you scientists to speak with me here and tell me, because I know you guys know these things. You tell me which constellation is this, and you're not telling me because there are several. They have a certain formation, and with this formation, they must be having a certain name. So the moon is still like, like past 30 minutes, still lunar, and it's still bloody red, and I'm still observing, and it's totally dark, but the sky has hues of white and bluish, and I'm still vibing with you guys because I want you to subscribe to my channel, and we are going to observe this. I don't know how many hours it takes. I know I don't have the best camera for like stretching or zooming to the level that you can see how I want you to see it. But I'm going to request you humbly from wherever you are, just step outside and observe, and you'll see. The sky is, the sky is, yay. Most of the time I get not to observe this scientific event. But today I want to give a special shout out to a certain program that I love so much to do with tourism. It's called Twende, and is normally usually brought on Sundays, and it's usually pre-recorded. But today they did the most. They did the most. They did a live which updated me, and I was like, who am I? Who am I not to go live for my people? We share this scientific moment of watching the celestial bodies. Pamoja. So here I am, me and you guys, doing a lot of science in the night. I don't like coming out at night. I don't like darkness. But for science today, I'm outside. Because why not? Why should I be left out by the scientific event? Today I'm outside to observe that bloody moon. Huh? I'm outside to observe that bloody moon. And so I'm requesting you guys to subscribe to my channel, please. Please do me the honors. Since I don't have a partner to count stars with, and I don't have a person to give me sweet nothings as we count the stars, do me the honors of just subscribing. It's absolutely free. That will make me so fascinated, like the way I'm happy about counting my 15 stars. There are many, but I've managed so far to count 15 stars. So how many have you counted so far as you observe the lunar eclipse? How many have you counted? And which one is shining brighter? And do you know the names of stars? Can you just chat there and give us the names of the stars? Because the lunar eclipse just happened. I saw the way the moon was covered. Ooh, it was epic. Today I wasn't left behind. Hey, I was on time. I was on time. And I'm still here to see what happens. Let me tell you, I'm just that curious. I want to observe how long it takes. Can somebody tell me, is it 7 hours? Is it 6 hours for it now to go to normalcy, like the moon to not be bloody or something? Can somebody tell me? Scientists out there, tell us, how long does it take for the lunar eclipse to happen? Because I'm live. I haven't researched, I haven't Googled because I really wanted to observe with you people. I know I was live in the morning, but there is no harm with getting live the entire the entire day. I had to come back, guys, because the lunar eclipse just happened. And it's a scientific event, and I didn't want to be left behind. Hey, today I felt so nice. Last time I was left out, but today I felt so nice. The scientific event to happen. It was such an awesome event, the way the sun has become bloody. And it's still bloody. It's just that my camera is not doing me justice. My camera is not doing me justice, guys. And I don't know if you have observed. I don't know if you have observed like I have. The luna is lunaing. So, guys, hoping you have really enjoyed this moment. And I don't know. I'm gonna love you and leave you because I know. Some of y'all, I know you're going to stay with your binoculars the entire night. I'm gonna love you and leave you guys because the moon now has totally been covered. I'm still at the dark and observing because now it's getting darker. Actually, the moon has been totally covered by the clouds. I'm taking time to observe as the events goes. The clouds are becoming a little bit darker. I don't know where you're from or where you are or what you're observing, but me, what I'm observing where the moon is at right now has totally been covered. I can't see a thing. The moon is no longer there. So I don't know, it's going to sit like this for how many hours? The only thing I can see is stars and a whitish, tell me, and I can see a whitish cloud. And yeah, I don't know how to call that science, but the moon has totally been covered. The moon has totally been covered, guys. And that is my observation at the moment. Stars are still there. Stars are still there, guys. Stars are still there. And nobody has still answered me to tell me which constellation is there. But at the moment, at right now, I don't know if it is 9. The moon has totally been covered. So I don't know if it's going to reappear again or not. I'm going to find out how lunar eclipse happened. So guys, it has totally been covered and the stars outside. And I'm about to love you and leave you guys. It was such a nice observation. I don't know what will happen next after the moon has been covered for several hours. I don't know what else happens. But I'm gonna love you and leave you. And we say that we hope that maybe around 12 or so, because right now it's around 9, maybe around 12 or so. I don't know how many hours it says. I don't know if the moon is going to be normal, go back to like shining bright. But what I've observed at the moment right now with my naked eyes, since I don't have a binoculars and my camera is not doing me justice to show you the way it is, but it has totally been covered by the clouds. And the moon has totally been covered by the clouds, and the stars are still shining bright, and the clouds are become a little bit darker, like not dark, not pitch dark, but it's a little bit darker. And then the stars are still around. So observing for yourself is more better than being told. So I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. It was such a nice experience having lunar eclipse experience together. So guys, please, 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 I'm gonna love you and leave you. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And it was nice observing together. Okay? Till next time, God bless you. It's a good night. It's a good night. What a nice night to watch the bloody moon. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time, God bless you. Mwah. Good night. Have a bloody night. Good night, guys.